Alright, so here we are at the battlequestions.com homepage, and today I'm going to be showing you how to equip your avatar. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and log in. And once you've logged in, you're going to go ahead and click on the tab entitled Avatar. So we can see that the avatar that is equipped right now is displayed here. And so I want to go ahead and view all of the avatars. So we just have over 100. I'm going to go ahead and click 100 entries, and then this will sort, once you hit points, from lowest to highest. And all these avatars with the zeros beside them are those that you can start off with. So when you're just starting off as a basic learner, you want to go ahead and equip these avatars. And so as you go up, you can see that these are worth 5,000 points, and you get a little bit more elaborate with jewelry and things of that nature. And as you continue to climb at the 10,000 point range, you have headgear and things of that nature. They become more elaborate. They continue to do so. You acquire armor at the 25,000 range. And then at 40,000, you begin to acquire weapons. And at the 60,000 range, you have your weapons, armor, and a background as well. 75,000, you have your mutant avatars, along with the weapons and the backgrounds, the elaborate jewelry. And then once you hit the 99,000, almost 100,000 range, you can choose from these animals. We also have a Yoda. So what you want to do is I'm going to start off. I have currently 5,658 points. So I can go to the 5,000 range and select something from there. And I think she looks pretty cool, so I'm going to go ahead and purchase this avatar. I'm going to show all 100 entries again with the correct points, lowest to highest. I'm going to find her again, and then all I have to do to equip this avatar is hit the button that says Set Avatar. That will refresh my page, and we can see that my avatar is now the one that I've just purchased. So this will appear in all games, so my opponents in Lords and Ladies, Interactive Battle, and Straight Up Battle will be able to see my avatar. So if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 919-623-7346 or email us at info@battlequestions.com. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.